like better? Did you like the dancer tilting or the Ciudad de Mexico lenses from ColorCL? Hi everybody, miss me? I'm sure you did. For all of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette. Welcome to our channel. And if you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching and supporting our channel here on YouTube. Now let's jump right into these lenses from ColorCL. These are two of their newer lenses that they sent me, which I was super excited to review for you all. These are the ColorCL Siesta Ultra Moist Dancer Tilting lenses and Ciudad de Mexico lenses. Here they are in natural lighting, room lighting, as well as artificial lighting. Let me know which ones you like the most down below as usual, and I hope you enjoy. Here you go.
I can feel you in my heart, you in my arms. I can feel you in my heart, you in my arms. I'm caught in your whispers. There's nothing that I could do to want to escape from you. I'm caught in your whispers. There's nothing that I could do to want to escape from you. I'm caught in your whispers. There's nothing that I could do to want to escape from you. I'm caught in your whispers. There's nothing that I could do to want to escape from you. I'm caught in your whispers.
Okay, so let me know in the comment section down below which lenses did you like the most, as well as why. I'm going to show you up close shots as I usually do and let you know which ones I like the most out of these two lenses, and then just give you my thoughts. Really quickly, I've been working with ColorCL for a while now. I really do love a lot of their lenses. A lot of them I've reviewed here on my channel. I will put links to those videos up above in the cards, as well as in the description box down below. I'll put my entire playlist from them, since I have reviewed some of their lenses here on my channel. A lot of their lenses, actually. So when they came out with these lenses, I'll let you know the brief that they sent me. They said for the dancer tilting lenses, the inspiration for the newest masterpiece lens was the famous artwork created by Edgar Degas of the same name. So that was the Ultra Moist Masterpiece Edition dancer tilting lenses. And for the Ultra Moist Signature Edition Ciudad de Mexico, the newly released lenses are a tribute to Mexico City, where so many of its avid supporters are from. The inspiration for the lens was the Angel of Independence monument, which represents the wonderful people who reside there and their preserving spirit. The varied brown hues mimic the appearance of the quarried stones found on the column, and the bright yellow shimmer streaked throughout represents the goddess Nike that stands on top as a beacon of freedom and victory. There is a slight hint of green that may show through depending on the eye color of the wearer. They were designed with brown eyes in mind, as brown is the predominant eye color of the Mexican people. The slight green that shows through with brown eyes was to represent the green color in the Mexican flag, which also symbolizes hope, which was previously independence. Okay, really quickly, here is my coupon code with ColorCL. I'm going to put it up on the screen for you right here. I will also put it in the description box down below, along with the information that they sent me about these lenses, just so you can see it for yourselves, as well as just so you can click on the link and definitely check out ColorCL and see some of the lenses that they have. They do have a lot of great lenses, a lot of different collections, a lot of different colors that I'm pretty sure you will all find interesting and cool, as I do. So with these lenses, the Ciudad de Mexico, as well as the Dancer tilting lenses, let me tell you which ones I like the most and why. For the ones that I liked the most, I did like the Dancer tilting lenses the most, especially in natural lighting. I think it looks super, super pretty. The green is very bold, bright, and opaque. Both of these lenses have a very bold, opaque, bright finish. So just keep that in mind. If you have dark eyes, if you have brown eyes, dark brown eyes, these lenses will definitely show up on you. If you have light brown eyes, it's obviously going to slightly change the color of the lens depending on your own natural color eyes. But I find these lenses to be very, very bright, bold, and opaque, even for me. As you can see in natural lighting shots, definitely with artificial lighting, they are even more bold and opaque. But I absolutely love the green lenses the most. Which lenses did you guys like? I love the green ones the most because even though they're kind of unnatural looking, I think they could really pass for really pretty green lenses. I think they are very, very pretty. They're very, very cool. The green is extremely bright, bold, opaque, but you could see bits of orange in there as well. Lime green, medium green, very deep green, but it's very, very bright and opaque. And I actually like those lenses out of the two the most. In room lighting, I think they look more wearable, and that's it. I really, really like those lenses the most out of the two. For the Ciudad de Mexico lenses, I was a little disappointed. I just finished getting all the footage for this video that I needed, so I am wearing them now. They were not my favorite simply because of the color. They look nice in natural lighting, and in room lighting, they look okay, but with obviously artificial lighting, they're very, very bright and bold and opaque. They are very bright, bold, and opaque lenses, but I mean, if you like this color lens, then let me know in the comment section down below. I can't pinpoint what kind of color it is. It looks like a mix of like brown and green when it's inside the lens case, but when I put it on my eyes, you could see more brown. It's almost like a steel gray kind of color mixed with brown. It's a very interesting, unique color, which I think is very, very pretty and cool. But they're very bright, they're very bold, they're very opaque. So let me know in the comment section down below which lenses do you like the most out of these two. Now, if you really love bold, bright, opaque color contact lenses such as these, definitely go check out a review that I did from the company Anna Eye. The thumbnail looks like this. And in that video, I talked about some color contact lenses that they sent me and how they were very, very bold, bright, and opaque. So I really, really think you all should check out that video as well. Definitely let me know what you thought about these lenses in the comment section down below from ColorCL. And of course, let me know which ones you like the most and why. And that is it for this video. See you all soon. Bye.
free.